Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I discuss everything about how to make money online. In this episode of I Tried It and It Worked, I'm going to do a video of a realistic review of if you can trade binary trade with the platform Pocket Option and make good money, just like this lady mentioned. She said with this strategy, using Arun, RSI, and moving average, you can make from $10 and above. We are going to watch the video together. We are going to try the strategy together and see if truly you're going to make money from this with this strategy. So let's watch the video and see.
Screen. But let's quickly recap how it works. When the blue line of a rune tops up while crossing above its red line, candle closes above the moving average, and RSI is above 50, preferably close to 70. We anticipate price will rise and place a buy. You can spot a false signal here, but be aware of the recent resistance level. It's clearly visible there is almost no room between the massive trigger candle's closing price and the resistance level. There the move has already happened, so this signal should be avoided. When the red line of a rune tops while crossing above its blue line, candle closes below the moving average, and RSI is below 50, preferably close to 30. We anticipate price will fall and place a sell. You can spot a false signal here too. The cross of the red rune was not steep and confident enough. It was doing it in 2 steps. Avoid that. As always, market analysis is the key to success. Let's set up the environment for this strategy. Set time frame to 30 seconds. Set trade duration to 1 minute using free expiration mode.
All right, let's go into the platform itself so that we can do the setting exactly the way she's doing it. So this is the platform. First of all, we are going to delete these other indicators that are there. This is not the indicators we are working with. So I'm going to delete everything. You come to this place that has something like a basket. There you delete. That is where you press and you delete any indicator that is there already. So I'm deleting it. So she said
set time frame to 30 seconds. Set trade duration to 1 minute using free expiration mode.
The candle is going to be 30 seconds. So we come here in this place that have 3 dots. We click on it. Click on the first one. You will see all the chart types. We are going to use candles. You click on candles. You click on time frame and you click on 30 seconds. So it means all these things you're seeing, green, red, these are candles and they only trade and they only move for 30 seconds and a new candle opens. So trade time, you come to here that they wrote time. This place written time, you click on it and she said trading is 1 minute. So you click on M1, that is 1 minute. So let's go back and see the other settings.
Among indicators, choose a rune, moving average, and RSI.
She said indicators. So you click on here. You click on these 3 dots again. And it will take you to this second one. The first one, we saw the chart type. This second one is where you see the indicators. So you click on it. She said the first indicator is Arun. The second one is moving average. And the third one is RSI. I'm going to spell them on the screen so that you can tell which is which, so that you will not make any mistake. Let's go back again and hear her.
Open settings for moving average and set period to 19. I set a visible color and increase thickness of the line.
Okay, for the moving average, you click on this thing here that looks like a pencil. Click on it so that we can change the setting. The period should be 19. She said the period is 19. You go ahead, click on style, click on this color. I'm going to choose white, is a visible color. Then I'm going to choose 2px to make it a little bit bold. Then I save it. Okay, so she said the Arun will set the period. The default setting is 25, but we are bringing it down to 16. Then save. You can click on style and choose the colors to the color that suits you, but I'm used to the blue and red, so I can go ahead and save it. Then RSI, she said 9. You click on save.
Choose instruments with high payout. Everything is set up. Let's start trading.
So she said choose instrument with high payout. What she means are the currency pairs. So you click on this place written Europe GBP. You can see any other currency pair. It depends on what you see, but I'm trying to show you those are currency pairs. Then the ones you should work with are the ones with high payouts. These ones showing here plus 92 and above are high payout. You choose on, don't focus on the ones that are 80 and below. No, choose on the ones that have the payout is above 90. Then those are the ones you should work with. So let's move on.
Everything is set up. Let's start trading. Price has crossed below the moving average. Last candle was trying to climb up again, but got rejected. There is a bearish divergence between price and relative strength index. This means price will likely reverse to downtrend sooner or later. RSI is climbing below 50. We have enough confluences to say this is a clean setup. I'm not waiting for red Arun. The bearish divergence says Arun signal confirmation might come late. It will still be a good signal, but I can enter earlier, so I'm placing the sell now. Look at this huge bearish candle. Of course, price could still reverse on second candle, but it's less likely. Our first trade won.
That was a profit.
I start looking for the next setup, but I will check this instrument later that entering on red Arun's confirmation was still a good option.
So let's watch our second example, then we'll go ahead and try it.
It was still winning, just less confidently. But as you already know, size of a move does not matter for a binary option, just a direction. There was a false signal recently, though it was easily spot as market was retesting previous support level. Current bearish candle breaks this support, so signal can be accepted. I placed the sell. Also, there was a right bullish signal as well. If current strategy is not for you, feel free to check my other videos which teaches thoroughly tested strategies that have proven success to myself and many of my viewers. Have you done such trading challenges? Share your results to motivate others. Trade one.
Wow, that was a profitable trade. So let's go over to this site called Pocket Option and try out the strategy and see if truly it is profitable. So first of all, she said how it works is the white moving average. Once it touches a candle and the candle finishes and a candle is about to start, like this is a perfect one. RSI is below 50. The candle has just closed, but I'm not going to advise you to trade on this because it is fluctuating. Look at it now, there is a reversal immediately. It's not stable at all. This currency pair is not stable at all. It is fluctuating, so we are going to check another currency pair. Once we see a good setup, I'm going to explain it exactly the way it is. We've missed this one, but let's see. We're going to trade on it. After this candle closes, we'll take it. Make sure RSI is above 50. Make sure RSI is above 50. The Arun is supposed to cross, the blue Arun is supposed to cross the red one. But I went ahead to take the trade. Let's see. So I did not stick to the strategy, and yes, I lost the money. So now let's try and stick to the strategy. Okay, this is, oh, we've missed it though. We actually did miss it, but let's see. Let's go ahead. The reason this was a very good one is because Arun has crossed and is pointing to 100, which shows a very strong uptrend. RSI is above 50, which also shows that is a strong uptrend. It would have been better if after this line, this particular candle that the moving average crossed, the next candle, it would have been better, but we still hit it because the Arun is showing that the market, the buyers have the habits and it is strong. It is pointing straight up on the 100. So it is a really, really profitable strategy. Let's see. Let's wait for it to finish.
To finish, Emma.
Yes, we were able yes, it was a profitable strategy because I did not take it on the second. I was supposed to take it. The best thing to do is to take it this candle that has the moving average. Let me point it. This candle, this particular candle that's crossed the moving average, this green candle, I'm supposed to take, the best time to take it is the next candle. But I took it on the third candle. And that was where there was a break. If I had taken it on the immediate second candle, all of them would have been profitable. But nonetheless, it's a profitable strategy if you stick. Sincerely, you have to stick to the strategy, else you will lose money. Look at it. I took 20 trades. I got 3 cash back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 were profitable. So let's try one more and see and stick. We want to stick exactly to the strategy. So let me find a currency pair that has exactly the strategy. We have missed this one. Okay. Arun did not cross, so no. Okay. We have missed this one, so we will not take it. Ooh, we have missed this one. Okay, this is looking like a good one. The candle is just the I'm moving. Okay, let's go.
Two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I didn't know.
Once the candle crosses at the middle of the candle, look out for RSI. Even if Arun is not giving you the signal you need, look out for RSI. If RSI is below 50, then it shows that it might be a profitable trade.
Good.
Okay, so which means you have to wait for the three indicators to give you the signals, because right now I only took the signal only on 2 indicators and it was not profitable. So it boils down to being patient. Now, see what has happened. The red line has crossed. RSI is is above 50, and the candle just finished and started a new candle going up. Let's see if it's going to be profitable. I'm giving this honest review because most times people rush, see a strategy, see the thumbnail, how you're going to make $100 a day, and you end up seeing that it's not realistic. These are the reasons why sometimes we are not patient enough. When you're not patient enough, you jump on impulse, you take a decision without checking properly for the strategy for the right setup. You're going to lose your money. If you take a decision without waiting for the right setup, you will definitely lose your money. So I'm happy for this review. I keep dishing out because a lot of people it was a profitable trade. Look at it. All 20 was profitable. So it means you have to wait for the 3 indicators to give you the right signal. Once you can wait for the indicators to give you the 3 of them, don't take a decision with just 2 indicators. Don't take a decision with just 1 indicator. You have to take a decision when the 3 indicators give you a signal. Like I said, it's a very profitable strategy if you wait for the right setup. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you want to register on this platform, the link is going to be on the description below. Make sure you practice with your demo account before you start trading with your real money. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.